the one reservation that I have about the Eurocad, guys, looking at this chart, there shouldn't be any reservations, to be honest with you. This thing, the only reservation I have is the close, and it's the same kind of close that we had in the Aussie. It's basically a squeeze close, but nothing has changed. I mean, the trend is still to the downside. Everything is negative. So having said that, well, it's the same kind of plan. We're going to go short below the 135.80, and you have to be careful about that. So 135.80, that's our short. And if I go short below 135.80, I'll try to pick a stop in a minute, but my structure is right there, the 146, the 134.63. That's my structure short. Looking at this again, this is my structure long, the 136.92. So I'm just going to put it here so I don't come back. Okay, that's my structure long. Now let's pick our trades. As you see here, guys, this is the structure long point, and just looking at this chart, it also can only be our buy point. I mean, there is no buy signals anywhere over here except this one here. So my buy, this is going to be, I'm going to put what I'm going to buy. This is going to be my buy, because there is no other signal except there above the, and if I do, I'm going to place my stop right below the market side here. That's my stop. And if I'm going to go short below the low of the day, I'm going to use the 136.40 as my stop again on either side of the trade. So my stop on either side of the trade is 136.40. It's the long and the short stop, and if I'm going to buy it here above 136.92, that is my buying point. Alright, so the Euro CAD, we're going to buy it above 136.92, and if we do that, we have our structure point, which is also 136.92. So this makes it very powerful point, and our stop is 136.80. On the short side, we're going to go short below the low, which is 130, and we have the structure point, which is the all-time low, which is 129.27. and if I go short, I'm going to use my stop as the 130.06, which is the long and the short stop in the same place. Okay, that is the Euro CAD.